Kat, and today I'm going to show you how to do the left and the right of the flower sandals I have. This method would work for any of the shoe. You just might have to do the little bit more stitches in the beginning, but people are having an issue of how to do the right and the left, or the left and the right. So I just wanted to show you. So I'm just going to use one heel, and then I'm just going to show you for the both. That makes sense. Probably not. Okay, so you've got your heel made. You got your two soles, and you put them together, and you slip stitch them. Now my directions say you go from the center and you count 9 stitches toward the toe part. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So okay, so when you start, pretty much you're in the center here, and you gotta have an even amount. So I stuck mine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're 9 stitches in, and you're just gonna go between the first sole. You're not gonna go into the second sole. And you're gonna attach your yarn. This is how I do it. And I chain 1, and that's kind of like my starting, but then I'm gonna half double crochet in that same stitch. Okay. And then I'm gonna half double crochet 17 more. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oh come on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, chain 1. So this is how it looks. And so you're even, right even across. We chain 1, get over there. Okay, we chain 1, and half double crochet, we're gonna half double crochet 8. So 1, 2, 3, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to half double crochet 2 together. So you yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert hook into your next stitch, and pull up a loop, and then pull through all your stitches. Okay, and then we're going to half double crochet 8 down that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to chain 1 and turn. We're going to half double crochet across. We're going to have 17. And I'm kind of doing this willy-nilly because I've already have the video up to how to actually do them. People are just having trouble how to do the left versus the right, or the right versus the left. So I kind of just wanted to show you really this part, the beginning part of the shoe. Oh my god, I'm so over this doing that. Really? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So now we turn. We're going to half double crochet across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, now you're going to chain the 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You're going to slip stitch in the 5th chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch. You're gonna single crochet in the next one, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, and then you're going to single crochet in all the rest. Again, I have the full tutorial on how to do the shoes and the flower and all that on my YouTube channel. This is just to show you how to do the left and the right. I don't know which one I have anymore, so I just figured I'd show you how to do both the left and the right. Okay, so this was technically, oh my god. So this was your, also we did the right. So we did the right foot, okay. Now I'm just going to show you how to do the base for the left foot. So for the right foot, we started on this side. For the left foot, we're going to start on this side. So let's just say I started here. We'll count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I think I did start here. Okay, so you're going to count 9 again towards your heel, but you're going to count to the opposite side. Okay, so you're going to, with your other shoe, you're practically just going to go across from where you started on your other shoe. You're going to go across and you're going to start. So what I did on the other video is I kind of put my heels together and I would start, you know what I mean? Same thing on here. Just start, kind of line them up. Make sure you start in the same spot. but I just counted, so this is where I started my other shoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so this is how I'm going to insert my hook for the other shoe. You are not going into both loops. You are literally coming like that. Okay? And this is to do your left side. So this is how I attach. Chain 1, and then I half double crochet. And again, you're only half double crocheting through the top layer, or the top sole. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Chain 1 and turn. So again, so they're pretty even here. So this is going to be your right side, right? Because this one was left, the one we just did, and this is your right. So to do the right shoe, you start over here. To do the left shoe, you start over here. And just follow the directions. You can go back to the video I have on the previous ones here and finish your shoe. So I hope this helps you guys. If you need any other questions answered, let me know. I always, now that we're stuck at home, I'm trying to get all these videos that people have asked me out. So I'm trying my best, along with some patterns that I've come up with. I'd like to share those with you guys too. But I also want to make videos to go along with it, just to help you guys out. So I hope this helps. Let me know, and I will see you guys on the next one. And I think I'm gonna do a little giveaway for these ones on my next video. So I think that's it. I will see you guys on the next one, and please subscribe and all that great stuff. Come check me out on Instagram. I have a bunch of I have my family pictures on there too, because I hate having two separate Instagrams. So you can see my children's acting silly and whatnot. So I'll see you guys in the next one, because otherwise I'll just keep talking. Okay, thanks. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.